Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preventing interruptions. Plug in or attach a UPS. Once done, force 3 interrupted boots or hold Shift and restart to reach recovery. From there, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings. Make sure to choose Restart and press 4 or F4 to boot into safe mode. You need safe mode to isolate drivers and services. It runs minimal processes so you can diagnose without the usual background noise. And that clarity is what makes the next steps reliable. Once in safe mode, open Device Manager and look for yellow warnings. You can roll back or uninstall recent drivers that match the stop error timeframe. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the image. These commands repair corruption that often causes stop codes. Make sure to check Event Viewer for the exact stop code and the implicated driver or module. After repairs, install official, signed drivers from the device maker. Avoid generic or beta drivers. Once done, run Windows Update and reboot into normal mode to validate the fix. If the stop code persists, make sure to use System Restore to a point before the issue, or perform Reset this PC with Keep My Files as a next step. One troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, disconnect non-essential peripherals and boot. Faulty external hardware often causes recurring stop codes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.